guys, how are you all doing? Good morning everyone. It's morning here in Lagos. I'm about to lose my hair, but I want to quickly do breakfast for them. So I'll just pack this hair like this and launch to market. You know, school is about to resume. They are stopping lesson today. They are stopping coaching lesson today. They will now have, it's like 2 weeks or the day before the resumption. So I want to quickly rush and go to market and buy the things they will use to start the, the school. But thank God say their water bottle, lunch bag and the school bag is still okay. Just socks and the biro, pencil, all those stuff that I will go to buy. Then when I now come back, I will now cook for them and cook bitter leaf soup because I want to make bitter leaf soup today. Yes, the last soup that I cooked finished yesterday, so I want to cook bitter leaf soup today. So I want to quickly do fast because time is not in my side. I want to rush because my girl is learning how to sew. Nobody to cook for them, so I want to quickly rush and go to the market. So before afternoon I'll be back. I will not stay long there so that I can cook lunch for them. Work of a mother is not easy. Being a mother is not easy. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Please do stay connected. If you are done watching this video and if you find it interesting, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up and share the video as well. Thank you guys. Stay connected.
When I see my people suffering, I just break down and cry. Every time I feel their pain, for my land, change the life of my people. I give my life. I give my life. When I see my people suffering, I just break down and cry. Every time I feel their pain, it makes me wonder why. Something must be wrong. They have suffered for too long. So I do my best to make the change.
Hi guys, I am in the market right now. So I want to quickly rush as soon as possible to buy those things that I'm here to buy so that I'll quickly go home to prepare lunch for them because they will soon come back from school. As I told you guys, today is the last day of going summer coaching lesson. So as it is right now, I am getting the stuff, getting the socks, the other socks that I bought for them. In short, is not good at all. The mouth is raw. Just wash 2 times. Everything has already fed away. The mouth has already lost everything. So I'm trying to get this particular product. They say that this particular product is okay. So I'm trying to get it now. So, but I'm picking up 2 packs because I normally buy 2 packs for them, they are 5. I buy 2 packs for them so that it will last them for the whole days. So guys, stay connected. So I'm cooking peas
my
now.
land, change the
Let me cook
life
beans for
of my
lunch. I want to filter the water now. You know, we have to filter
free
the
my
water
people from
in case
poverty,
of,
stop the
chemical. All those
misery.
chemical we use to store things. So let me filter the water right now.
For my land, change the life of my people. I give my life.
The
Free
cooking
my people from
starts.
poverty. Stop the misery.
I want to cook beans and yam for them.
For my land,
I'm going to put
change
onions.
the life
These onions will
of
make
my
it,
people.
will help it done fast.
I give my life. I give my life.
Jesus Christ never failed.
I give my life. Makes me wonder why something must be wrong. They have suffered for too long. So I do my
Let's
best
cook
to make the change. Free my people from poverty. Stop the misery. For my land, change the life of my people. My people from poverty. Stop the misery. For my land, change the life of my people.
This is our lunch.
I give my life.
I'm in a full already. I'm full. The shawarma filled me. It filled my stomach.
I give my from poverty.
So guys,
Stop
thank you
the
for always coming
misery.
to support. Always blessed.
For my land, change the
So
life
guys, I am back
of my
in the
people.
kitchen once again. Oh, woman with that work. Oh,
Free my
this are the
people from
things that I
poverty.
want to use to cook the
Stop the
bitter leaf soup.
misery.
I have my fish, I have my catfish, that is the roasted
For
one.
my
I have
land,
my stockfish.
change the life
Oh, and I have
of
my
my
meat
people.
as well. So let's cook the bitter leaf soup together. Oh my god, it has been a long
I
time
give my
since I
life.
cooked bitter leaf soup. It's at least almost 3 weeks now. And is my
I give my
husband
life.
best soup. It's my husband best, only that I don't too like bitter leaf soup. I prefer egusi soup and the oha. Egusi and the oha. So guys, stay connected. Let's cook the bitter leaf soup together. Thank you guys for always coming. God bless you all. Stay connected. So guys, the soup is ready. The soup is ready. This is called ofe onugbu, bitter leaf soup. So I'm going to dish soup now. So let's go and eat now.